So hello everyone, I hope everyone doing great and fine. So from past few days I have gone through the many questions and many problems that has been faced by the students during the online examination of December 2020 attempt. So I have prepared a few of those important questions, and definitely I will ask those questions not only through the YouTube video but definitely through the email also, and I will also suggest you all of you to raise your grievance through the portal. I am giving link in description box so you can raise your concerns there. So let us start with first. So first question is from my side there. Where is our special task force? So if you are conducting online examination second time, then definitely you have to have a special task force. The students are having a lots of questions, not lots of but thousands of questions. So definitely institute has to revert those all the questions immediately. So I don't think so. Even I have sent the email to the institute many times, but they haven't reverted on my emails as well. So I know they don't have any special task force to answer the questions that has been raised by the students. So that is the first and foremost question from my side. Where is our special task force? If we are conducting online examination, then definitely you should have. So that is the main problem. The students are in confusion, like what is going on, what will happen if we are missing the identity card, then what will happen. So no questions has been answered by the institute. So definitely institute has to have a special task force to give an answer to the questions that has been raised by the institute. Second question is from my side is, what did you achieve after taking an online examination? I don't think so institute has achieved anything after conducting the online examination. If you are worried about students life because of the COVID, then you should have an online examination from home. If you are conducting center based online examination, so what did you achieve? The peoples are gathering at centers as well, so why not to conduct offline examination? So offline examination is the only solution as of now. Online examination might be the temporary solution which has been attempted by the institute the last time. Then why they did attempted the online examination second time, even if we have seen what happened in the first attempt of the online examination. So definitely we have to ask, we have a right to ask to the student, what did you achieve after taking online examination? That is the second question from my side. Third question is, why you are conducting the online examination in two phases? The students, those who have not given an examination in the first phase, they are very much worried about the second phase. What will happen in second phase? The student has faced many problems in the first phase, then how they are going to give examination in second phase? Their confidence is at zero. So you have lose the confidence of your students as well. So what is the reason that the student is conducting the examination in two phase? So that is the third question from my side. Fourth question is, if you are not able to allocate the exam centers near to their home, then the student has need to travel along. Like I have seen a few students who are traveling for 200 kilometer, 250 kilometer. One of my friend is traveling for 230 kilometer. Then how he will travel? So definitely institute has to allocate the centers. Those centers should be near to their students home. So definitely the fourth question is from my side, why you have allocated an examination center? These are far away from the students home. So that is the fourth question from my side. So fifth point is from my side is, many people have faced a problem like their keyboard is not working, their mouse is not working. During the meanwhile examination they have faced some technical issues. So in that case, what institute will allow to give them examination in the second phase? So I am not sure what institute will do, but definitely institute has to come again and give a clarification all those questions that has been raised after the examination as well. So that is the fifth question from my side. Sixth question is, what about the results? When institute will declare the result? Those students who are giving the last group of the final, they are very much worried about their results, because after that they need to definitely going to prepare for the interview. So definitely they should be given an answer that when the results will be declared, so that they can prepare accordingly. So that is the sixth question from my side. Other than that, there are lots of questions. So these are the main questions that I am going to ask to the institute through the mail also, and through after raising my concerns as well through the grievance. So definitely you have to ask a question to the institute officially. So that is my suggestion. I humbly request to the institutes to come again and give a clarification what the students need to do in the second phase of examination if they are going to give. So that is my humble request to the institute and students, those who are doing a protest and all the things, they may continue as per their will. And definitely the offline examination is the solution. Online examination might be the temporary solution. So take care and all the best.